carried by the sea lions. How can you tell? Sea lions have big and powerful front flippers. How powerful are they? Sophie can show you. Drum roll, please. Officer, how's that horseback? Not bad. Hey, what do you need that? This guy can demonstrate real strength. Really? I'll tie that down here and show them what real strength looks like. Another drum roll, please. Of course, she likes it. Well, this flippers works great on land, but sea lions also use them to swim through water along like a bird uses their legs to fly in the air. That's correct. And the Marine Patrol members are out there.
Sige, dito ka din.
Protecting our coral reefs from
Ang likot ng anak ko ay. Hindi mo rin makita itong isa.
now, Sophie will show you her smooth swimming style. Okay, Sophie, jump in. Jump in. Don't lie. What's the matter, Sophie? What is it, huh? What's that? Shark? Hey, it's a pool. There are no sharks in there. That's for you and me, Sophie, okay? But tell me, guys, is there any shark in the water?
Anak, dito rin.
Meron bang shark?
Here.
Wala. Okay, Sophie, the water is safe. Show them how to do it.
Dito na lang ako.
Pivot!
Para siyang maisip eh.
Another feature that makes our sea lions different from a seal. 5 flippers that rotate, making moving on land very easy. Guys, show them please. But true seals are very different. They have small front flippers and their back flippers don't rotate. So on land, they move a little bit funny. Tell me guys, would you like to see Sophie's imitation of a seal? Nina, would you like to? Yes, of course. Okay, Sophie, you know what to do. Show them the seal. That looks like a seal, alright? This is how a seal walks. And that's the next one. Imitation of a seal. Great job. You know what, officer? I would like to demonstrate a skill that every member of the Marine Patrol must have. A skill. And what would that be, huh? His remarkable self-control. Sounds important. Go ahead and show us. Folks, this is what you're going to do. I'm going to ask Kai to lay down here on the deck. Just like that. Out of place. 4 very juicy fish right in front of the guys' face. Another rule is, he can only eat the fish when I block my hands for only one at a time. Let's start? Yeah, let's start? Okay, first fish. Teka, ulam. Good boy. Second fish. Very good. Now on to the third. What are you doing? Kasi hindi po tayo. No, you can't unless all of you folks wanna try. You're welcome
No, 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 no. Kuya, dito na.
Come with me, everybody. See, I told you, he is good at this. Okay, Kai, you can have the third fish. And one more fish to go, and we are done. Okay, last fish.
Kinain na. Yes.
Come here. Come here. Tell me, did you eat the last fish?
No.
Tayo saw you. So then what happens to a bad sea lion? Of course, I'm not kidding. We have another chance. But this time, let's make it
Dito ka kasi. Huwag ka kasi maliko.
Because instead on the floor, I'll place this very juicy fish right on top of Kai's big nose.
Dito nga
He can
umalinaw.
see it, he can smell it, but he
Hindi ka
won't
na-
see it unless I clap.
Sorry po.
Sing along, guys. Let's go down. Louder. See, I told you, he is good. Kai can now have that fish. Oh, count the throw. How about we can? For Kai. Wow. Now, Officer Reggie, take it away.
Okay, thank you, Officer Felisa. By the way, my name is Reggie, and again, welcome to the Sea Lion Marine Patrol. Moving on, to stay in shape, the Marine Patrol members compete in an exciting contest of strength and agility. The Iron Sea Lion Triathlon. And right now,
Matingnan mo.
I am
Kasi
looking
makita
for
kasi
one team who thinks that they are strong and brave enough to face our current champion,
Ano na ako?
Kaan.
Taas na lang kasi ako eh.
Anybody?
Taas na lang ako eh.
Wala?
Tingnan mo nga. Meron din yung harang. O, tingnan mo. Try mo. Try mo. Tawagin mo ako pag ano.
Ready? Sir,